Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the best paper roll for your massage table, the MASERTIO Disposable Massage Bed Cover. If you're a massage therapist, tattoo artist, esthetician, or someone working in a spa, this product is a game changer in terms of hygiene and convenience. The MASERTIO Disposable Massage Bed Cover comes in a roll with 60 sheets, each measuring 31.5 by 71 inches. These sheets are designed for use in a variety of settings, including massage tables, waxing tables, tattoo beds, and even for lash extension treatments. What makes this paper roll stand out is its non-woven material, which is both soft and absorbent. It's made from a polypropylene fabric that resists moisture, keeping your clients comfortable and the bed hygienic at all times. Whether you're dealing with sweat, water, or any moisture, these sheets stand up to the test without compromising cleanliness. One of the best features of this product is its no-crinkle design. Unlike other disposable sheets that might rustle and shift during treatment, MASERTIO's bed cover is quiet, providing a serene environment for your clients. Plus, it's thick enough at 30 GSM to prevent tearing or crinkling during use, ensuring a smooth and consistent experience. For professionals, time is money, and this product is here to save you both. The sheets are perforated for easy tearing, so you can quickly replace them after every session. No more spending time doing laundry or dealing with the hassle of cleaning up between appointments. Simply remove the used sheet and dispose of it, giving you more time to focus on what you do best. Another great aspect is the face cutout feature, which makes the sheet perfect for clients lying face down. This ensures that the client's face is properly supported during treatments, adding an extra layer of comfort. The moisture resistance is also key, preventing any unwanted wetness that might cause discomfort for the client. When it comes to bulk options, MASERTIO makes it easy for professionals to stock up, offering a range of pack sizes from 1 roll to 6 rolls. Whether you're a small business owner or a large establishment, there's an option that fits your needs, keeping your operation running smoothly and efficiently. In conclusion, the MASERTIO Disposable Massage Bed Cover is an all-in-one solution for professionals who need a reliable, hygienic, and comfortable option for their massage or treatment tables. It's easy to use, keeps your workspace clean, and enhances the comfort of your clients. So if you're looking for a product that takes your hygiene standards to the next level while being practical and cost-effective, the MASERTIO Disposable Massage Bed Cover is the answer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on products that make your life easier.